building our first learning garden in Maryland at Beacon Heights Elementary. We're creating a learning space for kids. I mean, think of how many times kids learn concepts in math and science and language arts in the classroom, on paper, in a book. We're building something so they can go outdoors and they can see this learning firsthand. After we build the Learning Garden, Real School Gardens will spend 3 years training teachers on site to actually use the garden for teaching.
So excited, I can't even begin to tell you how excited and happy our school is to have Real School Gardens as part of our partnerships now. We're really very happy.
We have been working with the school for the last year to design a garden. We've had the kids involved, we've had the parents involved, everyone has had input, and now we're building it. Everyone is so excited out here. We have more than 100 volunteers in the rain creating this space together. We have corporate volunteers out here from Kaiser who has helped funded the project, and we have parents and students and teachers.
Kaiser Permanente, we believe that everybody deserves good health, and a school garden such as this is really going to go a long way to not only build health, but to create an environment for students to learn math and learn science and to be outdoors.
Real School Gardens has made all of this possible. About 75 to 80% of my staff have been to all of the meetings that we've had, and I have probably close to half my staff here today working out in the rain, getting this done and completed. So we're thrilled.
I'm actually a teacher and I'm volunteering too. I'm excited because lots of times we have to stay in the classroom and plant in the classroom. We don't have to do that anymore. We can come out, bring the children out when it's a beautiful day, even when it's raining, and they can learn at the same time. A lot of my children are out here, they're planting seeds. We get to come back out. They can brag about, that's my flower, that's my bush. I'm excited, it's awesome.
The kids are already ecstatic. They help design some of the parts of it. They've already done some outdoor classroom activities, but they're so thrilled that they'll be able to be in the pavilion working on learning out here.
You know, one of the wonderful things about today is that this is really a community gathering, and gardens are gathering places.
We've built a teaching structure right here that I'm standing under. This is a place where teachers can gather students and start a lesson. We're also building vegetable beds. We're putting in a butterfly garden. We're putting in an herb garden. We're putting in a bat cave in the back. And we have a music wall out here. So it's tons of different features for kids to learn math, for them to learn science, for them to learn language arts, do music and art.
This is basically a learning environment. Not only will the children get to follow the curriculum, but they will follow the environment and what it teaches them.
And so Monday, kids are going to come to school and they're going to have a great new place to learn.